3, 2, 1.
The nightmare has corrupted dragons, gods, and legends. Your downfall will be simple and swift.
Embrace the dreaming. It can save you.
No, I will not permit it. I'll slice into the heart of you! I'll slice into the heart of you!
Four.
Time to cut the last tether to your mortal life! I'll slice into the heart of you!
Beware.
I'll slice into the heart of you!
Beware.
I'll slice into the heart of you! I will sever you from the waking world! I'll slice into the heart of you!
4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware. 4, 3, 2,
4,
1.
2,
Feel
1.
the devastation of the nightmare!
Beware.
I do not have a target. I need
4,
a target.
3, 2, 1.
Time to crush your dreams!
I need
Embrace
to
the
target
dreaming.
something first.
It can save you.
No, I will not permit it!
I need a target. I do not have a
3,
target.
2, 1.
Time to crush your dreams!
Four, 3, 2, 1.
Feel the devastation of the nightmare!
Four, 3,
I
2,
need to target
1.
something first.
Feel the devastation of the nightmare!
4, 3, 2, 1.
Time to crush your dreams!
Four, three. Four, three, two, one.
I'll level you one by one! I'll slice into the heart of you!
Four, three, two, one.
I'll level you one by one! Time to cut the last tether to your mortal life! My work left unfinished. Heroes, champions, step forth and hear me. The Nightmare has long been a cancer eager to consume the Emerald Dream. Had Xavius succeeded, his corruption would have overwhelmed Azeroth, giving rise to a living nightmare. Your triumph restores the dream and safeguards your world. The allies of Xavius will never relent. But this road, at least, is closed to them. To honor your courage, I offer passage into the pure heart of the dream. As you feel the essence of life blooming beneath your feet, know that it endures thanks to what you achieve this day.